What if I told you that with a few common household ingredients, you can make a simple DIY pest bait station in just a few minutes? While it isn't a guaranteed solution and won't replace proper pest control for serious infestations, it can be an interesting homemade experiment. For areas where you've noticed occasional pests, stay with me until the end because I'll also share some of the most effective ways to help keep your home free of unwanted visitors. Let's get started. Now open one package of instant noodles. Any brand or flavor will work because the noodles mainly provide texture for this mixture. Break the dry noodles into small bite-sized pieces using your hands. Let me know where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing viewers from different cities and countries, so leave your location in the comments below. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda over the broken noodles. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of regular sugar. Now add 1 generous spoonful of toothpaste. The sugar gives the mixture a sweeter scent, which some people believe may make it more attractive to certain pests. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and mix everything thoroughly until it's evenly combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and stir again until Continue by mixing everything together slowly with a spoon. As you stir, press and fold the ingredients until they begin sticking together. Keep mixing until the texture becomes thick and slightly dough-like. If you squeeze a small amount between your fingers, it should hold together without immediately falling apart. Once the mixture reaches that consistency, it's ready for the next step. Now take 2 empty plastic bottles and carefully cut off the bottom section of each one. These shallow containers work well as simple holders for the mixture and make it easier to place in different locations around your home. Divide the mixture evenly between both containers and gently press it down so it stays compact. Now let's talk about placement. Place the containers only in areas that are out of reach of children and pets, especially if you're unsure how they might interact with the ingredients. If you're trying this method, people commonly place homemade bait stations in areas where pest activity has been noticed, such as behind appliances, beneath sinks, inside utility rooms, near garbage storage areas, or along walls where pests tend to travel. Avoid placing them directly next to food preparation, surfaces, or anywhere they could contaminate food. It's also important to understand that homemade remedies work best when combined with good cleaning habits. Clean up food crumbs promptly. Store dry foods in sealed containers. Take out the trash regularly. Repair leaking pipes and eliminate standing water. Seal cracks and gaps around doors, windows, and plumbing where pests can enter your home. These simple habits often make a much bigger difference than any single homemade recipe. If you continue seeing large numbers of cockroaches, ants, or signs of rodents, it's usually a sign that the infestation has become established. In those situations, it's best to use proven pest control methods or contact a licensed pest control professional to identify the source of the problem and recommend the most effective treatment. Remember, there isn't a homemade mixture that can permanently eliminate every type of household pest forever. Long-term control depends on sanitation, prevention, and using appropriate pest management techniques.